Hello and welcome to Trains and Viatic. This is just a quick one to tell you how to enter the competition to win this Metcalfe model, which is the department store PO279. You'll find the roles in the description, but first of all you need to send me a email telling me who makes this kit. This competition is open from now till 6 o'clock on Friday evening, which will be the 6th of April. I have opened this up worldwide as long as I can post the product to you. There's no cash alternative. I'm solely responsible for this competition, and it's not done in any partnership. I need to say, for legal reason, YouTube is not a sponsor of my contest and require users to release YouTube from any and all liabilities related to my contest. So basically, YouTube have nothing to do with this contest. It's all on me. So this is a kit you can win, which is the Metcalfe model. As you all know, I love Metcalfe models. You got a nice thing at the back. I know I have said to make this several times. That's just to make your life easier. So like I said, all you need to do is send an email to trainsandviatic@virginmedia.com with your name and the manufacturer of this. The draw will take place in front of the camera after 6 p.m. on Friday, the 7th of April 2019. And the video showing me taking the draw will be up by Saturday, the 7th of April by 7 in the evening. Old times are British summer times. So good luck to everyone. Tell your friends to take part in this and to subscribe, and you have a chance to win this lovely kit. So thank you everyone for subscribing in the past. Thank you for everyone's comments, and I'll see you all on Saturday. Thank you very much, Richard.